You can create objects in Houdini either using your tab menu, just by hitting tab and then pulling up the correct operator, or by using your shelf. And by default, our shelf is set to the create menu, so we'll go ahead and click the button, and I'm creating a box. And with this, I'm able to create a box at this particular location. And right now, you get to see, if you look at the coordinates in the middle, our Y is set to 0, and by default, it's going to behave this way. So let's go ahead and navigate a little bit out. So I'm going to hold the space bar and navigate around, just so we can see more of our environment. And if we hold down the Alt key and not pressing down any of the mouse buttons, holding down the Alt key, you get to see now we have translation in Y. So once you're satisfied with your position, then you can left mouse click to use that position when creating your object. If you hold Control and left click on any of the options here, let's say I want to create a sphere, holding down Control will automatically center my object to the origin. Or if I'm creating an object and then just hit enter, it will also center it to the origin. Now, using the tab menu is something that you'll use quite often within Houdini, and this is a list of operators within your particular mode. So in this case, hitting tab in a object context within the viewport is going to give me a set of nodes that's going to be different than working in another context. Now, context is something that we'll look at in other videos, but in this case, let's go ahead and find a box operator. I'll just type in B-O. And down here you can see we have X. If I go ahead and commit with the X, you get to see that it filters everything out, and I'm able to select my box object operator. And then now I can go ahead and, let's say I hold Alt to bring it down here, and then take this as my position. And now I created the object within this plane. So you can create objects either using the tab operator or by using your shelf.